This is the lesson where you stop watching and start doing. Everything up to now was the mental model. Today, we run one real task, end to end, and I mean real. Not a demo, not a toy example, a piece of your actual work. Here's what you need. One report you already look at every month. Sales report, P&L, pipeline summary, job costing sheet, whatever lands on your desk regularly. Go grab it. I'll wait. Seriously, pause the video. Got it? Good. Now I'm going to walk you through my 3-round method, and I'll narrate it with a monthly sales report so you can see the shape of it. Round 1, summarize. Upload the report and ask AI to pull out the trends. Don't just say summarize this. Give it your context, like you'd brief a new hire. Here's roughly what I typed with a June sales report. You're my sales analyst. Here's our June report. Summarize the 3 most important trends. Flag anything that looks off compared to the prior months in here, and tell me what question you'd ask if you were me. 30 seconds later, I had it. 2 product lines up, 1 flat, and the Southeast region down 18%, which I'd honestly skimmed past because it was buried in row 40-something of a spreadsheet I'd stopped really reading. That's round 1. AI reads the whole board every time. We don't. Round 2, draft. Take what it found and make it do work. Mine was, draft the email I'd send my sales manager about the Southeast dip. Direct, but not accusatory. I want his read on what's happening, not a defense. Out came a solid draft. Right tone, right length, right ask. Was it perfect? No. Was it 80% there in 20 seconds instead of 20 minutes of me staring at a blank screen? Yes. That's the trade you're making all day long with this stuff. Round 3. And this is the one everybody skips. Critique. Turn the AI on its own output. I typed, now tear this apart. What's weak about this email? What am I assuming that might be wrong? What would a skeptical sales manager push back on? And it caught something real. The draft assumed the dip was a performance problem, when it could just as easily be one big customer who ordered early in May. If I'd sent round 2 ases, I'd have put my guy on the defensive over noise. Round 3 saved me from that. Remember last lesson, AI drafts, humans decide. The critique round is where you bring the judgment. Well, that's the whole method. Summarize, draft, critique. 3 rounds, 1 real task, maybe 15 minutes. And notice what happened. You didn't learn prompting. You had a working session with a tireless analyst. You briefed it, you tasked it, you challenged it. That's a conversation, and you already know how to have those. You've been doing it with people for years. Your action step is the obvious one. Run all 3 rounds on your report before the next lesson. Not 2 rounds, 3. The critique is where the aha lives, and it's the round that separates people who use AI from people who trust it blind. Don't overthink the wording of your prompts, just talk to it like a sharp new hire. Mike, do this once and something clicks. You start seeing 3-round candidates everywhere. That's exactly what we want, because next lesson we talk about spreading this beyond you. Let's build some momentum